This side hustle is one that almost nobody is talking about for Facebook, but the serious creators in this space are quietly pulling in thousands of dollars. And today I want to show you my favorite way to make this even more powerful, because in this video I'm not just going to show you what it is, I'm going to show you real examples and stats, how to create the product and get it live, and the strategy to actually generate customers. And no, this isn't just theory. I've personally been doing this for many years, and I actually have a student right now in this exact niche that has done over $2,700 in a month. Now, of course, every business takes consistency, effort, and income is never guaranteed. But if you're someone who wants to actually build something real online, this is one of the best business models out here. Today, we're going to be covering two niches that people are absolutely obsessed with, and that is cat lovers and books or reading. And then taking that theme and turning it into print-on-demand wall art using Gelato. And as you see here, I actually created this. You're going to do that along with me here today. And this is a really nice framed print from Gelato. So this particular size framed print actually comes with a little stand so you can put it on a shelf or a counter, and it also comes with the hardware so it is ready to hang. Successful Etsy sellers are currently doing thousands of dollars per month with very similar cat prints. And by the end of this video, you're going to see why this is way more than just creating products. This is actually about creating demand. And so before we even actually create any products, I want to show you why this actually works. Because most people approach print on demand completely backwards. They think, let me just make something and hope that it sells. But the real game is actually understanding what people identify with and already love. Because the best niches aren't actually products, they are identities. People don't actually buy cat decor because they need wall art. They buy it because it feels like them. It is a projection of what they want to represent. And the same thing goes with book lovers or people who love reading. It's a lifestyle, it's an aesthetic, it's a personality. And when you combine the two, now you're speaking to a very specific person and they're going to be way more likely to buy. So let's hop over to my laptop. I'm going to show you the exact process step by step. So let me show you exactly what I mean. If we look at brands like Urban Outfitters, we type in something like cat decor, you'll see they're constantly using cat-themed visuals in home decor. So that tells us something really important. This aesthetic sells really well at scale. So you'll see this cat-framed wall art is selling between $75 and $119. We see this really cool cat shower curtain, more cat wall art here. And if you just scroll through Urban Outfitters, you're going to see tons of cat-themed images, and you just want to sort of take note of what type of cat art that they are selling. Now, if we pop over to Etsy and we type in cat wall art, reading decor, anything along those spaces, you'll see listings with hundreds of sales per month. There are even some listings that are doing over $4,000 per month with one single listing. And when we pop over to my Etsy research tool, we can see the long tail keyword cat reading book poster. It's getting 12,223 searches per month, and there's only 2,486 other listings on Etsy. So that means high search volume, low competition. This is literally a gold mine of a search term to jump into right now. And then you can also see some other trending search terms down here listed by search volume and competition, proving that this is an excellent niche. So here's another one, cat reading book print, 21,000 search volume, 5,000 competition. That is the sweet spot. That is what we really want to validate our idea. So we checked it off that we can see that it's selling at scale on Urban Outfitters. We can see that there are popular now and best sellers on Etsy. And then our keyword research shows that, yep, we are good to go if we're going to utilize this search term on Etsy and get sales. But remember, I'm also going to show you how to 2 times this with external traffic that you get using Facebook theme pages. So make sure you stick with me. Now, keep in mind, we are not just doing cat wall art because that is very broad. If you look at that as a search term on Etsy, it's very saturated. If you have a cat theme page though, competition isn't really that important. But if you want to tap into 2 different traffic strategies, one being the Etsy buyer marketplace and 2 being a theme page, that's when you're going to get those power packed results. So we are actually narrowing it down to cat lovers and book lovers, because the money is often in the overlap, right? Not just cats, not just books, but the person that looks at it and says, this is literally me, right? I love cats, I love books, and that is what is going to trigger people to buy, because that is a personality, it's an aesthetic, and it is a projection of what that person wants to represent. So now, in order to create a product, we need to go over to Gelato. If you don't have an account with them yet, I will link this directly below so you can try it for free and get 30% off of your first purchase if you make it within the first 2 days of creating your account. So you can just click get offer and create the account. Once inside your Gelato dashboard, we can click on product catalog and then wall art, and we're going to go with this bestseller right here. And I did an 8x10, I did wood and ready to hang. And then we can click add to store. If you haven't set up your store yet, I'm going to link another video that I did showing you how to do that step by step. And then when you click add to store, your store is going to pop up right here and we select it. Then we need to upload our design. So first we're going to pop over to ChatGPT and create it. So what I did was I selected 3 images from 3 different best-selling Etsy listings, and I asked ChatGPT to build me a prompt to make an image like those, but slightly different, so it's not a direct copy of them, but still has the same vibe. And so ChatGPT gave me an entire prompt here, and it gave me optional variations that I could include to make it different. Then I went ahead and pasted in the prompt that I wanted. I asked it to create the image for me, so it came up with this. And I wanted to make the greens a lot deeper and zoom in so you could see the cat closer up. So that is what it did, and that is what I went with. So in just under 2 minutes, ChatGPT created the image for me exactly how I wanted it, and then I can download it and take it right over to Gelato and get it ready for listing. So we can choose our file to upload. I've already done it right here, so I am going to put it right in the box there. This is where we can double check that the DPI is correct. That means that it's going to print high quality, nice and clear. Now we're going to continue to mockups and see what it looks like on a product. So now you have options for lots of different mockups to display this to your customer for your listing. And some of these have this available with Gelato Plus, which is an upgrade plan. And the upgrade plan opens you up to so many additional features, which makes it worth it, including discount on the wholesale products. So that is going to add to your revenue, to your profits every time you also sell a product. One thing I like to do is upload my own photos. And so if you order a sample, remember you get 30% off in the first 2 days. You can order a sample, take your own photos and add those here, or you can use ChatGPT to help you create some additional mockups. Now we'll continue to details. And I love AI so much because it makes everything so much easier, from creating the images to the listing. We get to generate the title and description and tags with AI right here inside of Gelato. So we'll click on generate with AI. And the high search volume, low competition keyword that I found with my research tool was cat reading book poster. So that's what I typed in, and now we'll click generate with AI. And now that filled everything out for us, from the title, the description, and the tags. Now, if you're selling on Etsy, you do need to note that the art was created with the help of AI, and then we have all of our tags and we can apply that to the listing. And then continue to prices. So for a profit margin, I like to do anywhere between 35 and 45% profit. The profit would be $11.30. The customer would pay $32.29, and the product cost is going to be $20.99. So once the customer pays this price, that goes into your Etsy account, and then you pay Gelato this amount, and so then you are left with the difference. And continue to review and then publish. So if we click on listings inside of our Etsy store dashboard and then click on draft, that is exactly where our listing will be once we've published it from Gelato. Okay, so let's click on that, and I'm scrolling down to who made it, another company or person, and then we have to add a production partner. So this is where you would add Gelato as your production partner, and that is required for print on demand. Then you can add it to a shop section. You can add a section right here. So we will put in here cat decor, save, and then I like to put mine on automatic renewal and then publish. So now our product is live and ready for purchase. Now Etsy does have a built-in buyer marketplace, and they will send you sales. People will be on there searching for that cat book wall art, and they will find you using those keywords. Now, how to 10 times confirms your results is by creating a Facebook theme page. Here's a great example of one called We Love All Cats. And if you scroll through, they're doing very simple text-based posts all about cats. And if you scroll through, they are getting a ton of engagement. So this post has 1,300 likes and it says, "It's just a cat. First of all, that's my child," right? Super relatable. People are laughing at it. They're hearting it. They're sharing it. They're commenting. They're saying, yes, that is so me. Here's another one. Relationship status, sleeping uncomfortably just so my cat can stay cozy. See all of the engagement here? And then you'll see they have a website up there where you could put your Etsy store, and then you could come over here and drop a lifestyle photo like this and just say something simple like, "I'm obsessed with cats and reading. Do you like my new poster?" Just ask a simple question like that, get people engaging, and then drop a link to your Etsy listing in the comments. And that is how simple it is. Now, this is just an example page that I set up for a different video, but people always want to know, how do you get sales from a theme page if you have no followers? Well, that is what this little advertise button is for right here. You can use that to get followers. And I have been doing this for years, you guys. It is so easy to get followers. People literally have no idea. It is so easy. And you can also utilize groups. So if you search your keyword and groups, you will see all of these different groups that come up where you can start engaging, sharing posts, being part of the community, and then people will come over to your page and follow you, right? It is simple to get followers. And it's much easier to get followers to a theme page where people see the word cats on a page as they scroll their newsfeed and they're like, "I like cats, I'm gonna hit follow." It's much easier than on a personal page where people are scrolling, they see your name, they don't know you, they're less likely to hit follow. And this is what I really want you to take away from this. The people who win with print on demand aren't the ones just making the most products. They're the ones who understand the customer best and know how to get in front of them again and again. Because this isn't just about Etsy as a platform. It's about building a niche, an audience, and a system that all works together. So don't forget to get set up with Gelato 100% free with the link down below, and make sure that you are subscribed so you can keep learning all the gems on how to grow a Facebook theme page and turn it into a real income. If you want more tutorials just like this one, comment down below, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.